to turn off Discord notification sound. Open Discord on your PC or mobile device as per your choice. If you're on the PC, open any browser, then type in discord.com or the Vivators bar and make sure to sign into your account. Then you have to click on this user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now on the user settings page, you have to scroll on the side panel and you have to select notifications. You have to scroll all the way down, and as you can see the bottom of disable all notification sound, so your existing notification sound will be preserved. You can also select individually, but if you want to turn off all notification sound, you need to toggle on this button. Doing so will turn off Discord notification sounds. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.